vlog, welcome back to the channel. So now we got a smooth vlog here, the fuel lines. Well got the other fuel line. Let me change it now.
Take the fuel line.
Now let's get in. That was holy cut.
Alright guys, so we've got some fuel line, I don't know, with 15, I don't know if it's gonna work, but gonna see, we've been puzzling trying to find out the exact way that the fuel lines run. So we think we have it, but we're just trying to see if this fuel line will fit. If not, we'll have to get more fuel lines. So let's peek.
That's what she said.
Let's peek. It can fit. If you use a clamp, it'll grab.
I think it's best to rather just get the 8mm pipe.
But it can work for now. as I press play. As I press play. I mean record.
Never see me.
So yeah guys, the 15mm pipe was too big. So we decided to go to the... We're gonna have to go for 8mm pipes. So we're into our... It's currently 6:30 and we want to finish, put the tank in at least today. The other stuff we'll finish tomorrow, or I'll finish tomorrow.
The next day.
So yeah guys, we're replacing a lot of stuff on this car. This is the old, the rusty one. And not bad. Didn't have to change it. At least I don't think, but anyway. Pull that away. And this is the new baby. Nice and clean. Rust free. Sharp. So yeah guys, I don't know, to take it out, there's just 3 stars over here. 110. And there was, I don't think it's on all Golf, but there's this stupid wire that is here. I don't even know what it's for. It's disconnected on the top here. But anyway, yeah. And put it in. Set it up. Oh, there's also this breather pipe that comes here. So it's just 1, 2, 3. The breather pipe with 10 nuts, and then to obviously put in that bracket on the tank. Not bracket, pipe. But yeah, time to do the reverse.
No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, 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 I'll be there. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no, there. No, I'll be there. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no, there. No, I'll be there. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no.
So yeah guys, you can see I have our fuel line, fuel tank and our fuel pump here. I was just trying to figure out the plumbing, but I think I'll figure out enough. We'll find out soon. So apparently these are number 1, number 2, and there's another small yellow one. I don't know where's that one, but apparently those are breather hoses. We have over here, this is your supply, goes to a fuel pump, and this is our return. So from the fuel pump, this apparently this is a 13mm hole, whatever you wanna call it. Yeah, Oh, so this one here comes to the top of your float, and then from here goes into your fuel line, and then our return line comes here into here.
Cut.